accustomed to the rain. He walked the road of pain. He lost his dad in the second grade. The emptiness inside was impossible to hide. For a time it seemed he'd lost his way. He walked the Billy Sunday Sawdust Trail. At the altar he found peace that never fails. When his road was dark, heaven's light prevailed. He walked the Billy Sunday Sawdust Trail. Friends saw his tender heart, helped him find a